So here's a car I've been wanting to film for a while. Matter of fact, ever since I filmed the 66 L79 Nova over there. I'll put the link to that at the end of this video. This car was buried in the garage, so I didn't get to film it, but today is the day I get to film it. So what you're looking at here is a 1967 Pontiac 2+2 HO. It's kind of like with the 67, 8, 9 SS427, where it's an SS427, it's not an Impala. So the actual name of this is 2+2 and then HO. HO, when you order a 2+2, you automatically got the 428. But when you ordered the HO high output, you got instead of a 360 horse 428, you got a 376 horse 328 or 428. Sorry. So let me show you. And they're really proud of this model. There's a lot of emblems on this car. So you got the 428s on each fender, 2+2 on the header panel. But check this out. It's also got 8 lug wheels. So let me show you how these 8 lugs work. I just found out myself how they actually work. So let me drop the video right. Break it down to me how these work. What are we looking at here?
That's the drum.
So this fin thing is actually the drum.
Steel hoop that bolts to the aluminum drum.
So when you go to replace the brakes on it, you just take that off, change the shoes, and put that back on.
Yeah.
So if something happened to this, how do you replace it? You can't. They're not off the shelf parts. You have to get original.
There's a place that can reline them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. And they're made out of steel.
Aluminum.
Aluminum.
Steel hoop.
Aluminum with steel hoop. How are they put together like that?
It's got a steel liner.
Wow. Like, is it pressed in?
Yeah.
I'm about to say, how you do dissimilar metals? They press it in. Wow. Sounds expensive. So, cool stuff. I'm sure the Pontiac purists are out there screaming at the TV, probably threw the TV out the window right now by seeing the Grand Prix logos right there on the rockers. Calm down, sit down, it's okay. Somebody put these rockers, which are the same rockers as a Grand Prix, on this car back in the day, and they didn't take the emblem off, but they will be coming off because he has an NOS set of rockers for it. So calm down, it's okay. But check out the little fender gills, I guess. And then you would think a 2+2 would have, you know, the bucket seats in the back like a Thunderbird, but it doesn't. Let me show you this though. I love these doors. So power windows. And what makes him even more rare is that stick right there. He's got a fun stick. You know, I love full-size muscle cars, and I love them even more when they have a 4-speed in them. So it's said that there's less than 150, I guess around 148 or 144 of these made with a high output 428 and a 4-speed. Look at them seats, man. Same seats as an Impala. Check this out. And I absolutely love the fastback. Absolutely love it. So many similarities between the 67 and 68 Impalas with that fastback. But so here we go, another 2+2 emblem here. And then another one here. So coming or going, you're knowing it's a 2+2. So what is that, 5 emblems? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because they're on door panels also. But just look at that. And then we go inside and show you something cool. So unlike GM, most GMs that lost their documentation in a fire, unless you're in Canada, Pontiacs are really easy to document. And here we go. So 428 package got you, I believe the 3-speed floor shift, the manual one was automatically got that. You had to pay more for if you wanted a 4-speed or an automatic. And then there's a cost breakdown and everything. So the 4-speed was an extra $226.44. And it's funny, the 3-speeds in this year actually are the same as a Ford. Where'd you? Let me see. There we go. So, tons of options. I'll let you pause that. It's got safety track, aka posi. Look at that final price. This person did not care about saving money. Kind of like my Caprice, man. Just loaded car. So, awesome. I love these interiors. And then in case you missed it, 428 badge right there on the console. Like I said, they're very, very proud of that. And then the 2+2 door panels, logos. Well, another thing that's cool is there's an 8-track in here. It's got a Cadillac 8-track in it. But something I saw, I didn't notice before, is actually this right here. So power antenna levers, and then left and right speakers. I believe that's the fader right there. So clock. This is by no means this a stripped down car. This person said, I want this, I want to be fast, and I want to do it in luxury. So and I'm gonna get my Caprice over here and do a little video with these two together. My Caprice, if you don't know, is a 427 4-speed hideaway, AC, power disc brakes. It's a loaded car like this, so it'd be kind of cool to get those two together. But just look at that. Look at that. Matter of fact, let me show you a side view of this car. Like I said, I love the fastback. There we go. Just gorgeous. And it's cool because like the 67 has the fender gills, and then the in 68 the SS427 kind of copied it, the thought of it, basically took something similar to this and then put it right here. So then they added a cool simulated dome hood. But let me pop the hood, show you this bad boy. And there we go. And it's cool because there's these headers, type header manifolds, long branch. One's down there, go all the way down. Kind of like a header. I'm trying to focus on it. I'm gonna get it better on the other side. But and you said this is the first year for the Quadrajet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just an absolutely amazing car. You want to start it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it has barely any exhaust on it, but I think it still sounds good. Another 428 emblem. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's check it out. Check out the sounds from the back. Big. Give me a little rev. Give me a little rev. There we go. And I'll get a ride along video another day. He just pulled down and said, "Come check it out." I said, "I'm on my way."